Okay, we have the nut. I removed the nut. Which was backed up to this base plate. Right there. The nut went on, the pipe came through there. And that went on like that. So here's the base. And a ring. Cover to the ring. Then we start the pillar coming up. Here's a piece. Another piece. All these sections will be able to, you could shorten this if you want. So this is like a spacer. Here's another spacer. So there were 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
And when it is together, it's exceptionally tall.
Right, when this thing is completely assembled, it's tall. And they want to shorten it. This looks like it's just a piece of black pipe.
Home Depot can cut it
And you could get it cut and threaded to any length you wanted.
at Home Depot.
Otherwise, I think you might have to stand on a stool to be able to read from this, because it is quite tall. You decide.